Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the WET kit IC-WET-2-K1. The WET kit is a powerful and portable tool for assessing growing conditions in various soils and substrates. The WET soil analysis sensor is inserted easily into most soils so growers and researchers can efficiently monitor and optimize growing conditions. The device measures three critical soil properties. These are water content, electrical conductivity and temperature. Features of this kit include straightforward operation, stable and accurate measurements, data collection and retention functionality, and PC connectivity. The WET soil moisture measurement sensor kit is ideal for fertigation and hydroponics, soil salinity analysis, monitoring container growth trees and shrubs, various agricultural tasks, and soil science as well as research. In the box there's some paperwork, including a quick start guide for the handheld unit, a complete user manual for the handheld unit, a user manual for the WET sensor, and a calibration certificate. There's a 2 meter DB9 to DB9 cable, a USB to RS232 adapter cable, a D9 to D25 adapter, a spare 9V battery, and the soil moisture meter with the sensor connected. Features of the handheld meter include a 2-line 16-character LCD screen, 7 buttons. These are read, saw, set, up and down selection keys, escape, and hash. This is average. On the base there is a 25-pin D connector for sensor and computer connection. The outer case is completely splash-proof, and on the back is the battery compartment. And that's what comes in the box with the WET kit, a multi-parameter sensor for use in soil, composts, and other growing media. For more information on this professional soil, moisture, and nutrient status analyzer, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.